Bonjour! Today we are going to learn the gender of the noun, le genre des noms, the gender of the noun. Alors, in French, every single noun is either masculine, or féminin. So, every single thing is either masculine or feminine, even the non-living things like the chair or the table or whatever. So, first of all, we are going to see les noms masculins, the masculine noun, les noms masculins, masculine nouns. For example, ballon, cahier, tableau, crayon, casier, bras, stylo, sac. All these nouns, they are masculine, but there are many other which are masculine. But how we will identify if the noun is masculine? There is one basic rule to understand if the noun is masculine or feminine. It is if there is no E at the end, the noun is usually masculine. If there is no E at the end. Les noms féminins, the feminine nouns. Alors, boîte, trousse, table, tasse, femme, porte, gomme, fraise. Now, all of these words, did you notice something that they are ending in E? All these words, they are ending in E. So, one basic rule, it is that if the word is ending in E, if the noun is ending in E, most of the time it is feminine. There are chances that it will be feminine. Okay? But the story does not end here. There are exceptions. And it is not that the exceptions that I'm going to show here, there are only these exceptions, but there are many others as well. The exceptions we always have to remember. We always have to memorize the exceptions. The rule you can remember, like, if the noun is ending in E, it will be feminine, and if the noun is not ending in E, it is masculine. So that is one basic rule that you can apply on any noun that you can apply if you don't know it. So there are 90% chances that it will be going according to the rule. And the exceptions you will learn like every day. So if the noun is ending in E, normally it is feminine. But there are some exceptions. There are some words that they are ending in E, but they are still masculine. The word is ending in E, but it is still masculine. Now let's see the words which are ending in E, but they are still masculine. They are exceptions. For example, sucre, sugar, sucre. Père. Now here it's obvious père cannot be feminine. He has to be a masculine. Frère, brother. Impossible that it will be feminine. It is masculine noun. Okay. Homme, man. It is ending in E, but it is a masculine noun. Livre, book. Cartable, cartable. Vase, verre. So these words, they are ending in E, but they're still masculine. We just have to remember the exceptions. The rule you can apply on each noun that you don't know yet. But the exceptions, if you start memorizing one by one, at the end it will be automatically that you will remember that yes, this one is masculine and this one is feminine. Now the exceptions of feminine noun. Remember, I told you that the word is ending in E, it will be feminine. But there are some nouns, they are not ending in E and they are still feminine. For example, maison, maison. it is feminine noun. It is not ending in E, but it is still a feminine noun. Sœur, souris, brebis, nuit, fourmi, tout, court. So all these words you see that they are not ending in E, but they are feminine. They are not ending in E, but it is feminine. It is still feminine. So these exceptions we will memorize. Okay, so keep in mind the gender of the noun, and now we will have a look to the articles, les articles définis. So in French, we have the definite articles. In English also, you do have the definite article, and in French, we call them les articles définis. Now, le, la, l'apostrophe, and les. These are the four articles. The meaning of these articles, it is the. In English, you call it the. Le, it is used for masculine singular noun. Le, we are using before a masculine singular noun. La, it is used before a feminine singular noun. L'apostrophe is before either a masculine or a feminine singular vowel. If the word starts with a vowel letter, if it starts with a vowel, it's vowel like A, E, I, O, U. So if it is starting with a vowel, the word we are using l'apostrophe. Les, it is the easiest one. Any word which is plural, we are putting les. Les, it is always before a plural noun. It does not matter if it is masculine or if it is feminine. If it is a plural noun, we are putting les. So till here it is clear. Now let's have a look to the masculine feminine. So les noms masculins, as we have seen before, there are some exceptions and there are some which are going according to the basic rule. Now the masculine noun, as I told you, livre is a masculine noun. Though it is ending in E, it is masculine. So before livre, I will write le. Le livre, le cahier, le garçon, le crayon, le casier, le verre, le frère, le sac. Les noms féminins, the feminine nouns. So before the feminine noun, the definite article in French, it would be la. So la sœur, sister. Though it is not ending in E, but it is a feminine noun because I told you it was in the exceptions that I mentioned before. So la trousse, it is ending in E, so it is going according to the rule. La trousse, feminine noun, la trousse. La maison, la tente. This one you have not seen before, but as you see, there is ending in E. It is feminine noun, la tante. La femme, la tortue, la bouche, la fraise, les voyelles, the vowels now. So before these vowels, A, E, I, O, U and H. H also is considered as vowel. It is considered as a mute letter. So l'avion before a vowel, before voyelle, we are putting l'apostrophe. L'avion, l'enfant, l'école, l'image, l'oncle, l'université, l'homme, l'ordinateur. So l'apostrophe before all these vowels. Any word starts with vowel. If we are putting the definite article, it would be l'apostrophe. Les pluriels des noms. That one is very simple. Les boîtes. Boîte It is a feminine noun, but it is ending in S, so we know that it will be a plural. Les. Les trousses. Les pommes. Les universités. Les hommes. Les fenêtres. Les gommes. Les amis. Alors, un petit quiz. Choisis l'article correct. Choisis l'article correct. Bonbon. What's the correct answer? Which one you will choose? Le, la, les or l'apostrophe? Which article? Voilà. Le bonbon. Cahier. Which one will be the correct answer? Les. It will be les. Université. Université. L'université. L'apostrophe because it is starting with a vowel. U. Piano. Piano. Le piano. Maison. La maison. La maison because it is exception. Sœur. Sœur. So the meaning is sister. What will be the answer? I hope you did not say la sœur. There is S at the end, so it is plural. Les sœurs. Be careful. Tante. Tante. Alors, les tantes. Les tantes. It's plural. Avion. Avion. Now be careful. L'avion. L'apostrophe. L'avion. Rose. Rose. La rose. La rose. Bravo. Bravo. If you gave the correct answers, it's good. And if you couldn't give the correct answer, maybe you can watch again the video. You can learn again. And if there are some questions, if you want to ask anything, you can always contact me. So, envoyez un email. You can send one email, frenchonline.fle@gmail.com. À bientôt!